First class. God's vessel on the track. If she keeps score, she's not your partner. Let's talk about it.
I gave you my time, gave you my heart, helped you stand up when you were falling apart, prayed for you nights when you couldn't sleep, covered you in ways you could never see. But now you keep a list of what you did for me, throw it in my face every time we disagree. Never once say thank you for what I bring, but you remind me daily of everything. Love ain't supposed to be a debt. Partnership ain't about regret. If it's only me giving and you collect, then baby that's not a connection. A real partner doesn't keep score. If you only count mine, then ignore mine. Then you not walking with me, you weighing me down. Gratitude goes both ways. If you don't appreciate what I do, then know this: you don't have a partner. You don't have a partner. God said two shall become one, not two fighting over who did more. I don't want receipts, I want respect, I don't want pressure, I want peace. Jeremiah 29:11, God got plans for me, plans to prosper me, not to hurt me. So I'm asking for a love that's real, someone who builds me, not someone who steals. A real partner doesn't keep score. If you only count yours and ignore mine, then you're not walking with me, you're weighing me down. Gratitude goes both ways. If you don't appreciate what I do, then know this: you don't have a partner. You don't have a partner. God vessel deserves better. Love that lifts, not love that measures. If you can't see my value, then you can't be in my future. Peace over pressure, grace over gain. A real partner doesn't keep score. If you only count yours and ignore mine, then you're not walking with me, you're weighing me down. Gratitude goes both ways. If you don't appreciate what I